Alrighty, so this guy doesn't have a lot of clearance, but we are by the beach, so I don't think it's really going to suffer. And he's got the mini split head inside, and we are going to flare on all these connections and pull a vacuum for him and try and keep it all as tight to this thing as we can. And yeah, we're gonna coastal coat this thing. This ain't the first job we've done like this, but the first one we did, we didn't get on camera. Yeah, we installed a 240 volt, like bigger one on a motorhome. It's badass. Like, we installed one on a motorhome that could have cooled your whole house. Sun is poking out. Put on the hat. We are actually going to wire this thing into a pigtail because he is powering this thing off of his solar that he's got up here. But he's not sure that he's got it all set up perfectly yet. So we are going to do a test run for him on our house power. And Alex is setting up the brazing stuff. Easy peasy. He's got solar and he's got this whole system, and he says he thinks he's gonna have to upgrade a bunch of stuff to make this thing work, and it might only run for a couple minutes, if that. And so rather than we want to do a run test on this thing, and rather than doing a run test off a battery that might only work for a minute or two, or maybe not work at all, we're just gonna wire into our house power and via this little pigtail as a temporary power, and then we'll give it a test once we've got it all vacuumed down and refrigerant released. So boom. Like, we're doing all the stuff we're doing that you've been seeing us do, and then we're gonna flare this thing in, and he's doing a lot of the final touches. He doesn't want us to do the line hide. He's gonna do the line hide because he wants to paint it. And we didn't do anything on the indoor. We didn't do anything on this outdoor. We're gonna hook everything up, scoot around back. I mean, we'll give it a run test, and then we'll leave all the rest to him. So this is a really easy job for us, but yeah, if you have a mini split that you want to install in a van and you're gonna drive to us, we'll take that job every day. So
oh yeah,
this is the easiest shit I've ever done. So.
Doing what?
These.
Oh, so because he's gonna drive probably.
Yeah.
Well, obviously because he's gonna be driving.
So what's he gonna do?
Since it's not, steel pipe going, well, not steel pipe, but just pipe in general. If he ever hits bumps or anything, this will like absorb that shock.
Yep. So like, I would say our two options are either to put some really intense spring mounts. Say, I'm not talking like I'm talking industrial level spring mount we could put here. We still don't even want that. I think this is better. So if we did the spring mounts here, then the outdoor unit would still move, and it could lead to issues with the flares because it's not going to move in conjunction. The outdoor unit and the indoor unit could move out of sync, and then you end up with a cracked flare. We did this on the one that we installed last year, and that thing drove to Florida and worked, as far as we know. So people leave comments, and we will try and get our buddy in Florida to upload or to send us a video of his. I've been trying to get him to send me a video of his working, and he's just like, oh, I'll do it, yeah, don't worry, and he never does. Man, working from home, dude.
I know.
This is like a dream, honestly.
Literally. It's like, so this is what it's like working from home.
Got a little bit of nylog on these mating surfaces. That sticky good stuff. You bitch.
There. How's it going?
Oh, that's what it's.
No, we're putting this AC on here. Yeah,
it's not our bus, unfortunately.
Literally everyone's here.
Yeah, we're like the neighborhood spectacle. Guys, I'm doing work in my fucking slides. This is life on easy mode over here. Look, we're flaring these things. Easy. You drive to us, our prices are cutthroat, I'll tell you what.
First day
on the job, working this stake. The flare nut missing, so. Damn. Look at this bad boy. Sick, dude. Yeah, Dalton, tell us about your plans with this thing. Where are you gonna travel?
Yeah, I just told you I don't know where I'm traveling yet.
That's badass.
So,
But we got AC in here.
yeah.
Yeah, dude. You have social media?
Yeah, I don't have much bus stuff on there yet.
Nah, you going to?
Eventually, I just keep like next project.
Do you want us to put you on there?
I was pretty tempted to buy the vacuum pump and do everything myself, and then I like ran into a post on the schoolie thing where a person was like, well, fucked up, released the refrigerant, now all the refrigerant's drained, I have to call someone.
Oh, yeah.
And
Honestly, if you fuck it up, then we charge you way more than this.
yeah, so
Because it's a lot more of a pain in the ass to do if it's been messed up.
I bought a cover for it for going down the highway because it did say something in the manual about if it's like exposed to high speeds.
Yeah, you'll want to because of these.
Yeah.
If anything, like any rocks could hit that and then pop a leak.
All right.
Yeah, like so. Yeah, that'd be smart, honestly, when you're going down highways and shit. Honestly, probably if it's moving, probably put a cover around it. Wouldn't be the worst. Just because it's sticking out a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, I figure like whenever I'm in like national forest and I'm only going like 40 miles an hour spot to spot, might not, but 70 miles on the highway with this.
Yeah.
Which it kind of stunk. I put it on there before I came here and it didn't go on all the way. I was like, oh, it's fine. And then I was like watching in my mirror as it like slid off. And luckily I tied the drawstring to my straps.
Yeah.
And it was still there, but it like slipped off. My motorcycle should keep it wedged so that it won't.
Yeah.
All right. We are started up. Excuse me, pup. Feeling cold?
Yep.
Oh yeah. This thing is blowing cold. There we go. That's what we want.
Is there any maintenance or things I should
Bam, bam, bam.
road?
Yeah, especially being, if you stay hanging out by the ocean, the longer you do, the more often you're gonna want to clean it. So since this thing is gonna be really close to here, we're already closer than the minimum recommended.
Yeah.
It's really not necessarily a big deal unless you're in a hot place. If you're in like Phoenix in the summer, this thing's gonna overheat probably,
Alright.
being this close. So, but yeah, you still want it bolted down. So I don't know how close, how much further we could get. Does the motorcycle sit?
I mean, it's perfectly right there. I technically could have it on the edge. It's not a heavy thing, but the more I put it towards the edge, the more weight there is. to bend.
Yeah, it's really not. I mean, in San Diego, you're going to be able to get away with whatever you want as far as clearances.
Yeah, I'm probably not even going to use it in San Diego.
Yeah,
It's just gonna
the
be-
hotter it is, the more clearances matter. All right, we are finishing up here. He's going to take care of the final beautifying of all this stuff and running the line set cover in the drain and stuff. T-shirt giveaway. We do have a winner for this t-shirt, okay? It was a close race, and then actually it wasn't a close race. Everyone was getting some pretty far off guesses, and right towards the end we got a couple of people that guessed real close. So I'm gonna start with our second place. So our second place person who doesn't get a t-shirt, I figured was worth the honorable mention, is Craven Moorhead 420. Sorry, I just thought your name was funny, so I figured I'd throw you in here. $19.25. He was our second place guy. And then our winner was the absolute last comment. Check this out. These are the comments on the video. And I don't know if it's gonna focus, but we got exactly $20 for this scrap. And this guy, user -PW blah 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 blah. I think it shows his name. We click on him. Dean Cook. Dean Cook, you get a t-shirt. So you want an extra large t-shirt? What I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna pin this comment. I need you to edit your email into that comment so that I know it's actually you. So congratulations, Dean, you win the t-shirt. We'll do another t-shirt giveaway sometime soon. So heck yeah, let's go.